it's morning, Saturday morning. What it is for you, but project for today is this big ash tree behind me. It's a victim of the emerald ash borer. It's been dead for quite some time now. I look okay? So anyway, it's been dead for quite some time now. It's kind of a hazard. It's right by the driveway and the road. The tops have been falling out of it. And I'd just like to get it cut down. So kind of getting everything together this morning, getting ready for this. Not gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous. Like I said, the road's right here. So I'm gonna get everything set up and I'll kind of show you what's going on. Alright, so here's the tree. You can see I've trimmed a couple of branches off it already. Don't know how tall it is. You want me to take a guess? 50 feet, 60 feet. So it's dead, like I said. It needs to come down. Quite a big tree. It's the biggest tree I've ever cut. So we've got a rope up there in the tree. It's running over to that walnut tree with the tree strap, a D-ring, and a old pulley. And then that's running over to the Jeep, which is kind of sitting on a hill. I'm not sure if I should put pressure on it and set the parking brake, or if I should just let the weight of the Jeep pull on the tree. We'll see about that. Got the saw, of course, some protective equipment, get your ear protection, a couple of wedges for helping that tree fall over, gloves, hard hat, face mask, 395 XP, 36-inch bar. So I've been working on it for all morning here since I got up, and been looking at this tree for a couple of years now, thinking about it. Been watching all my Logger Wade videos and hot saw videos. Now I think I'm a lumberjack or something, so only thing left really for me to do is go ahead and get started and take it out. The plan is to put a notch in this side, make sure I get my notch right. I'm going to go back there and put some tension on it. I'm going to come around the back side, make my back cut, and put some wedges in it. And hopefully it'll fall right out here in this area and won't hit anything. It's tall enough, I think the tops are going to make it over there, to that tree, and it might end up in there. It's going to be a big mess for me to clean up all afternoon. This tree's dead and it's going to explode when it hits the ground, so should be entertaining anyway. Alright, let's get it done. but I hit a damn rock. Dulled the shit out of the chain quick as could be. So now I get to sharpen the chain. Let's take a minute to talk while we have the opportunity. That rock, pretty disappointed I did that. This is pretty much brand new chain. And when you're cutting with your saws, you really have to have a sharp chain. If your chain's dull, it's going to make you work harder, which is going to be dangerous for you. And it's also going to make the saw work harder, which you don't want to be rough on your equipment. So keep your chain sharp, and if you do something stupid like hit a rock, just stop what you're doing, go ahead and get it filed. Alright, here we go. Rope's tight, some wedges in my pocket. Start cutting. that, buddy. Holy shit. Wow. That was effing awesome. Remember what I said about a mess to clean up? Holy smokes, that'll take me a long time. Yay! So I'm really happy about that. Sad to see the